Even if you don't have your own garden, it doesn't mean that you can't grow your own food. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to grow pea shoots on your windowsill. And pea shoots are amazing because firstly, all you need to do is buy dried peas from the shop. You don't have to invest in buying pea seeds, you can just buy dried peas. Then you want to soak these for a couple of hours, and this just helps speed the germination process. Then either get a seed tray or an ice cream tub with some holes in it and put about 1 to 2 centimeters of compost on the bottom. Then get the peas which have been soaking and place these quite thickly over the top of this compost. And then cover these peas lightly with a bit more compost. Place your planted container onto a windowsill and just make sure that the top layer of compost always feels a bit moist at touch, and if it ever does dry out, just give it a bit of a water. Within a few days the shoots will start coming through, and you can wait up to about 2 to 3 weeks to let these shoots grow. Once they're over 5 centimeters tall, you can begin harvesting these. And you can expect an area the size of an A4 bit of paper to produce up to 1/4 kilo of pea shoots. You can eat them how you want. You can either add the pea shoots into salads, or what I like to do is to simply have them there and I can snack on them whenever I want. If you have access to land to grow some food, then you can simply sow the seeds in modules, about 3 to 4 seeds per module, and then let these grow and transplant these. Once these are about 30 centimeters high, then you can simply pinch out the top and eat those as your first harvest, and this will cause the pea plants to begin bushing out, and you can enjoy harvests for 6 to 8 weeks. Because the indoor method is so effective and you only need a minimal amount of compost and you use dried peas from the shop, it actually means that you will save money growing it. Look forward to more videos on this channel about windowsill gardening, because I'm really trying to show you that you don't need a vegetable garden to grow your own food, and even if you do have a vegetable garden, then there's no harm in converting your windowsills as well indoors to grow your own food. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.